The AR-2001 is a camera option for the AR navigation system AR-100M, which utilizes AR technology to superimpose real-time video imagery and voyage information. By installing the camera unit each on both starboard and port sides of your ship, you can instantly grasp the surrounding information necessary for the ship maneuvering. The AR-2001 offers a viewing angle of up to 160 degrees. You can smoothly pan left to right for a 360 degrees view. You can display a wide view of other ships running parallel to your ship and the surrounding situation. Navigational information overlay is also supported in 360 degrees. You can put up to 3 ranging markers within 1 nautical mile from the ship. The minimum distance between marker and the vessel is displayed on the screen. Provide visual support for checking the situation when docking and undocking. AR-2001 is the marine camera unit, which complies with maritime international standards. The camera features a wide viewing angle and durable weather resistance. Provides visual support for checking target information during navigation and for checking the situation when docking and undocking.